Ronald Koeman is a fan of Philippe Coutinho and now he could hand him the chance to reignite his Barcelona career. The Brazilian looked destined to leave the club at the end of the season and the Spanish giants were even ready to take a loss on the attacking midfielder to get him off the books. Coutinho has spent the season on loan at Bayern Munich, where he has been a spare part once again under Hansi Flick. However, he could still end up with a Champions League winners' medal for his efforts in Bavaria, with Bayern currently on course for a historic treble. The 28-year-old scored twice against his parent club in the 8-2 thrashing last Friday to pile more misery on Barca after coming off the bench. He was also pictured celebrating from the bench in the first half as Bayern raced into a 4-1 lead. It's clear that Bayern do not intend to trigger their £109 million option to buy, and now Barcelona have opened the door on keeping Coutinho following the appointment of Ronald Koeman. Barcelona president Josep Maria Bartomeu said, "The head coach will make the decision. If he wants him to continue, next year he will play with us." The 57-year-old fired Quique Setien and sporting director Eric Abidal following the thrashing at the hands of Bayern. Now Koeman will be tasked with cleaning up the mess he has inherited, but he could have a wild card up his sleeve in Coutinho. Coutinho has been offered to Arsenal and was looking to return to the Premier League before the start of next season. But if he feels wanted by Koeman, then there is every chance he could decide to stay in Catalonia. Speaking in May 2017 during his time at Everton, Koeman made it clear he was a big fan of Coutinho and tipped him to be a success at Barcelona, who he eventually joined in January 2018. "He's a great player and I think he could be very useful to Barca," Koeman told El Mundo Deportivo. "After all, it will depend on the circumstances of the transfer and his arrival. But he's a great player with a lot of qualities, without any doubt." Should Barcelona keep Coutinho, they could be forced to make an additional payment to Liverpool as part of their £142 million agreement. The Reds would net an additional £17.5 million if Coutinho made 100 appearances for Barcelona. He currently has 74 to his name.